Sorting. A task that's relevant throughout most aspects of daily life. We organize our homes, our cars, our pantries, and our drawers. But when it comes to work, with MyObjectives, it becomes a breeze to keep your work sorted in just about any way that you choose. The first way to sort your scorecard is by goal or category. The goal being the company's long-term plan. The categories are an easy way to filter by what type of objectives are currently being worked on. By default, it shows the scorecard by category. To change that, click your icon in the top right corner. When the menu appears, click Preferences. Now we see a window with two different options. The second option says Status. All that's going to do is change the icon size, so you don't really need to worry about that. With Grouping, it gives you the option of grouping by category, by goal, or no group at all. Once you've made a selection either way, click Save, and it's automatically going to adjust the scorecard for you. In the scorecard, right next to the Add button is another button that says Standard View, with a drop-down arrow next to it. Clicking that arrow will bring up a menu with a whole bunch of different view options. It's a long list, so we're not going to go through all of them, but each one is decently easy to understand. Like the Goal view will show you the objectives based on what goal they've been tied to. The Notes view would show the ones with notes before anything else. The Score Impact view would show how many points are left per objective and put the highest priority ones on top. The third method of sorting is by columns. With this method, all it changes is how many columns of information are presented. Objectives can be displayed by just objective and status, all the way to seeing all relevant objective information in a massive row. To change this, look in the column names and click the three dots. Move the cursor down to Columns. Hovering over columns will show yet another drop-down menu. Now from here, I can remove some columns that aren't helpful to me and add others that I think are. And if you add too many columns and you can't see them all on one screen anymore, no need to panic. Just scroll sideways and the rest of your columns will be there. That's all there is to it. Now you can go through all of the different sorting methods and find the method that you enjoy the most, or that is most useful for your company. Projects can be hard, but tracking them shouldn't have to be. MyObjectives.com